In today's session, we are going to learn 50 plus action words and its meaning in multiple languages. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. And please do check out the other videos which are available in my channel playlist. So yeah, without making any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Kick. Now let's check out its meaning in Hindi. Laat marna or laat. In Tamil, odai, odaipadu. Moving on to Telugu, tannu, tannadam. And in Kannada, ode, odayavadu, odayuvudu. Now let's check out number 2, give. Now let's learn its meaning in Hindi. Dena, dena. In Tamil, கொடுப்பது or கொடுக்க. Now in Telugu, ivvu, ivvu, which means give in Telugu. Now in Kannada, kodu, kodu, which means to give. Now next one, talk. Its meaning in Hindi is baat karna, baat karna. In Tamil, pesu, pesu or pesuvadu. Now in Telugu, మాట్లాడు, మాట్లాడు. And in Kannada, మాతాడు or మాతనాడు. So you can say in any of these ways. Moving on to the next one, which is teach. In Hindi, sikhana, sikhana. In Tamil, கற்றுக்கொடு, கற்றுக்கொடு. In Telugu, నేర్పించు, నేర్పించు. And in Kannada, kalisu, kalisu, which means teach. Now the next one, swim, swim. Now let's learn its meaning in Hindi. Tairna, tairna. Moving on to Tamil, neenda, neenda. In Telugu, eetu, eetu. And in Kannada, eeju, eeju, which means to swim. Now let's check out the next one, which is pull. Now let's learn its meaning in Hindi. Khinchna, khinchna. Now in Tamil, ilu, ilu, which means pull. Now next in Telugu, lagu, lagu, which means to pull. And in Kannada, jaggu, jaggu or elayuvudu, elayuvudu, which means to pull. Now moving on to the next one, breaking, breaking. Now let's learn its meaning in Hindi. Todna, todna. In Tamil, உடைத்தல் or உடைப்பது. Now in Telugu, పగల కొట్టడం, పగల కొట్టడం. And in Kannada, మురియువుదు, మురియువుదు, which means to break. Now next, sing, sing. Now let's learn its meaning in Hindi. गाना गाना, गाना गाना or गाओ, गाना. Now in Tamil, पाடு, which means to sing. Moving on to Telugu, paadu, paadu. Just a slight difference in the pronunciation. Now next in Kannada, haadu, haadu. Now the next one, sit. Let's learn its meaning in Hindi. Baitho or baitna. Ukkare, ukkare. Now moving on to Telugu, kurcho, kurcho. And in Kannada, kulitko. Actually while speaking, you can say as kutko, kutko. Now next one, cooking. Now let's learn its meaning in Hindi. Pakana or khana banana. Now in Tamil, samayal or samaipadu, samayal or samaipadu. In Telugu, vanta, vanta cheyadam. Vanta means cooking. Now next in Kannada, ಅಡುಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು or ಅಡುಗೆ. Now next thinking. Now let's learn its meaning in Hindi. Sochna sochna which means to think. In Tamil நினைப்பது நினைக்கிறேன் or யோசிக்கிறது. In Telugu ఆలోచించు and in Kannada ಯೋಚಿಸು ಯೋಚಿಸು. Now moving on to the next one, acting. In Hindi अभिनय अभिनय करना और नाटक करना. In Tamil नाटकम नाटकम. In Telugu నటించు నటించు which means to act. In Kannada నాటక నాటక. Now the next one, run. Now let's learn its meaning in Hindi. दौड़ना दौड़ना और भागना. In Tamil ఓడు ఓడు. In Telugu పరిగెత్తు పరిగెత్తు and in Kannada ఓడు ఓడు. Now let's move on to the next one, stand. In Hindi ठहरना और खड़े होना. In Tamil निर्क और निल. In Telugu నిలబడు Kannada నిల్లు. Now let's move on to the next one, scream. In Hindi చీక్నా. Tamil అలరల్ అరుపు or అరవడం. In Telugu and in Kannada కిరుచు. Now let's move on to the next one, eat. In Hindi खाना खाना or खाना. In Tamil సాపిడు. Telugu తిన్ను. In Kannada తిన్ను. Now the next one, drinking. In Hindi పీనా. Tamil కుడిప్పదు. Telugu తాగడం and in Kannada కుడియుವುದು. Now let's move on to the next one, shake. In Hindi हिलाना हिलाना. In Tamil కులుక్కల్ or ఆర్ట్. In Telugu అల్లాడిపించు and in Kannada అల్లాడిసు అల్లాడిసు. cut. Let's check out its meaning in Hindi. కాట్నా కాట్నా. In Tamil వెట్టు వెట్టు. Now in Telugu కత్తరించు కత్తరించు and in Kannada కత్తరిసు which means cut in Kannada. Now let's move on to the next one. Moving on to the next one, see. Let's learn its meaning in Hindi. देखना देखना. In Tamil பார்க்க or பார்ப்பது. In Telugu చూడు or చూడడం and in Kannada నోడు నోడు. Now let's learn next one, climb climb. Let's learn its meaning in Hindi. చడనా చడనా. Now in Tamil ఏరు or ఏరుவது. In Telugu ఎక్కు ఎక్కు or ఎక్కడం and in Kannada హత్తు హత్తు which means to climb. Now the next one, clap. Let's learn its meaning in Hindi. తాలి తాలి which means clap or తాలి బజానా. కై తట్టల్ కై తట్టల్. In Tamil Telugu చప్పట్లు చప్పట్లు and in Kannada చప్పాళೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡೆಯುವುದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. Now the next one, walk. Let's check out its meaning in Hindi. चलना चलना. In Tamil ನಡ or நடப்பது. In Telugu ನಡವಟಂ or ನಡುಸು and in Kannada ನಡೆ ನಡೆಯುವುದು. Now the next one, sleep. Let's check out its meaning in Hindi. Sona. Sona also means gold in Hindi. Now in Tamil ತೂಂಗು. In Telugu ನಿದ್ರಾ ನಿದ್ರಾ and in Kannada ನಿದ್ರೆ or ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ನಿದ್ದೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ. So how was today's lesson? Was it useful? I hope it would have been informative to all my viewers. Guys, check out my other videos which are available in my channel playlist. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, then please hit a like and share with your friends. So kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Keep watching my channel videos and start practicing to speak in different languages. Trust me, very soon you will be a flawless speaker in all the 5 languages. So that's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again.